The 5 greatest scientists in human history. There are many scientists who changed this world with their contributions and discoveries, and when talking about the greatest scientists in human history, it is not possible to be certain of one classification that can be considered the most accurate or the best. Even scholars themselves disagree about which personalities deserve to be called the greatest in history, and each has their own personal opinions. Below, we'll take a look at some of the greatest scientists in history, and their ranking, from 1 to 5, is random. 1. Nikola Tesla. Tesla has been credited with much of what modern science has achieved, and there is no doubt that he is one of the greatest scientists and engineers in history, especially with regard to electricity. In his lifetime, Tesla was known as the mad scientist, and there are plenty of reasons why he enjoyed that quality. For example, he once claimed to have accidentally caused an earthquake in New York City with a small electric generator. The most important scientific contributions of Tesla are: -1 X-ray, -2 lighting lamp, -3 Tesla coil, -4 AC motor.
Enter your text here.
(2) Albert Einstein. A German physicist who won a Nobel Prize in Physics, born in 1905. He has many notable works in physics, and perhaps the most important of these works is general relativity. Einstein's great ideas did not come from careful empirical analysis, but from thinking about what would happen under certain conditions, and his mind was responsible for creating and analyzing all possible possibilities. Einstein summed this up in one of his interviews: "I am an artist enough to paint freely in my imagination." The most important scientific contributions of Albert are: 1. Relativity. 2. Photoelectric phenomenon. 3. Brownian motion. 4. Einstein's field equations. 5. Mass-energy equivalence. 6. Bose-Einstein statistics. 7. Bose-Einstein condensate. 8. Gravitational waves. 3. Isaac Newton. To many, Isaac Newton is the greatest scientist of all time, and also one of the greatest and most influential. Physicist Michael Hart ranked him in the Book of the 100 Immortals as the second most influential figure in history. Newton's most important scientific contributions are: 1. Classical mechanics. 2. Newton's law of universal gravitation. 3. Differential and integral calculus. 4. Binomial theorem. 5. Newton's method. 4. Louis Pasteur. A French chemist, is considered one of the founders of microbiology, and was credited with discovering the causes and prevention of many fatal diseases. Pasteur's innovations reduced mortality from puerperal fever, and contributed to the development of anthrax and rabies vaccines. The most important scientific achievements are: 1. Pasteurization, the germ theory of disease. 3. Stacking for optical isomerism. 5. Marie Curie. A Polish physicist, born in 1867, is the only woman to have won the Nobel Prize twice in 2 different fields, in chemistry and in physics. Curie's most important scientific contributions are: 1. Radioactive decay. 2. Natural sources of radioactive materials. 3. The discovery of polonium. 4. The discovery of radium. I hope you like the clip. Don't forget to subscribe.